Now, Fox 24 is your local election headquarters.
A group wants the future of Arkansas's Freedom of Information Act to be in the hands of voters. Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us. Tonight at 9, I'm Anna Darling. Arkansas Citizens for Transparency submitted a bill to amend the state constitution to preserve the state's FOIA laws. Fox 24's Casey Smith shows us the reason behind the move and the effects of changing our FOIA laws.
As the people, we need to understand what the government's doing, and we need to have access to it.
Joseph Paul Smith is an attorney at Rojas Smith Attorneys in Springdale. He says Freedom of Information Act laws are important because they can serve as a check on elected officials.
You can hear a candidate running for any office, legislator, governor, anything, say anything they want during the campaign. But the real proof of the pudding is when they get elected. And what are they actually doing? What are they actually voting for?
Arkansas Citizens for Transparency has submitted an amendment to the state constitution to create the Arkansas Government Transparency Amendment. The goal is to preserve transparency within the government.
We needed to take some steps to stop the erosion of our transparency laws in Arkansas and to make sure that the legislature couldn't further weaken it without the people's support.
That's one of the 3 goals of the bill, along with establishing the people's right to transparency and creating harsher punishments for officials who violate the public's right to information. Nate Bell says it's also important that people know the steps in the government's decision-making processes.
If we don't have that, we really don't have government by the people. We have government by some form of bureaucracy, some form of autocracy.
Back in September, Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders called for a special session where she signed a bill into law removing documents regarding the governor and cabinet security arrangements from FOIA searches. She claims safety concerns as the reason for this change. Smith says laws that restrict FOIA requests can be harmful to the public.
How far do you go? How many meetings do you close? How many courtrooms do you close? How many government meetings, how many legislative meetings do you close?
However, he says there is still a need for some exemptions to FOIA laws.
If we were to lessen restrictions, for example, on healthcare records produced at state-owned, state-run institutions such as UAMS, the problem is I think it will have a chilling effect on healthcare, and it will cause people to be less honest with their physicians.
That was our Casey Smith reporting. Attorney General Tim Griffin received the ballot proposal on Monday and has 10 working days to approve or reject it. Then Arkansas Citizens for Transparency has to collect more than 90,000 signatures by July of 2024 for it to go before voters in the November 2024 election.